Hi guys, Jonathan Kimbrell here with Pianifico Professional Piano Care. I'm here in a customer's home about to do a piano tuning on a beautiful grand piano here. It's been rebuilt. It's a Chickering & Sons, and there's a complaint of some sticking keys on the piano. So I'm going to show you an easy and quick way to solve a sticking key. And there are many ways that you can address a sticking key. It may not always be the same thing, but this is just one of the options we have to address a sticking key. Let's take a look. You see how that key stays down, and you have to actually lift it back up. Sometimes the issue is in the key itself. Sometimes it's in the actual action, the working mechanism inside, and you can try to isolate it and figure out what's going on by seeing if the note still sticks when you remove the key from the equation. The note operates fine without the key being depressed. So, we've determined that the issue is in the key itself. See, I just barely pushed on it and it stayed down, which means your bushings are tight, your front rail bushings on the key. The key sits down on this pin here, and you have these you can see these red cloth bushings right here that the pin sits on, and that can sometimes get tight. Sometimes you have to use lubrication. Sometimes you have to compress that felt. There are many different ways to approach it, but it's always best to try to ease the keys, which is what we're going to do, before you start adding lubricant, because lubricant is a great assistant. It'll help, but sometimes it'll mask the real problem. So you always want to try to fix the problem before you use any kind of lubricant. But lubricant is a great aid to the repair once you've done the repair. So let's take a look. I'll show you how we do this. Here we have what's called the swedge tool. You've got a wedge, and you can use this to compress that felt. It's a two-sided tool. Each side does something different, but this is the side we're going to use today. Show you how it works. So again, here's our problem key. There's actually several of them, but I'm picking the worst example to show you on here. See how that stays down? Now you have to remove the key upstop rail in order to be able to lift the key up high enough to get the swedge tool underneath. So you lift the key, you find that bushing hole, and you press down. See, we've compressed the felt. And there you go. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching.